Good morning, friends. We all want to be successful in whatever goals we pursue in life. Today, I'll share with you the secret of success. Few secrets of success. To be successful in whatever goals we pursue, in any endeavor we take up, we need to have a definite chief aim. Yes, a definite goal is a must. And then dedicatedly take actions to advance them. Set clear defined objectives in your life and see where you are going. Write down your goals on a piece of paper. A goal not committed to paper is no goal. Writing helps to attract the natural forces that transforms your dreams into reality. Further, your goals should be specific. Have plans to achieve your goals. A research report says that we think about 60,000 thoughts a day. And the most amazing fact is that almost 90% are the same we thought the day before. Having a definite chief aim, a definite purpose would help to focus our thoughts and keep the remaining 59,999 thoughts out of our mind. So, the chief aim, your chief purpose shall dominate your thoughts. Have self-confidence. Believe you can do, yes, you can do, it's possible for you. You have to take the first step. Just take the first step in faith. Don't have to see the whole staircase, just take the first step. Believe in all your associates, whether they are superiors or subordinates. Develop a positive mental attitude. It is a conviction that in any given circumstance, a favorable outcome is possible. Then, Albert Einstein, the great scientist, has said, imagination is greater than knowledge. Yes, imagination is one of the astoundingly powerful force. Imagination is one of the most important faculties of mind. Ideas are the most profitable product of imagination. They're all created, all the plans are created in the workshop of imagination. Man's only limit lies in imagination. So, to be successful, you need to cultivate your visualization powers. Next comes enthusiasm. You need to be enthusiastic to be successful. Enthusiasm is a driving force which gives not only greater power to the person who has it, but is contagious to all those around that person. It is a powerful force in dispelling fear. Yes, to be successful, you need to be enthusiastic in whatever goals, in whatever you pursue. Develop the habit of doing more than you are paid for. By cultivating this habit, you are benefiting yourself by the law of increasing returns, by the operation of which you will eventually be paid in one way or other for far better services than you are being paid for. Further, you are increasing your skills also. Whatever your goals are, the rest of the world is your market. You need the cooperation of others. You need the help from others to be successful. And the most benefit, the most surest way to get this is to embrace the habit of doing more than you are paid for. Have a pleasing personality. Pleasing personality is the ability to create and maintain a good impression in the minds of others. Smile often. Help others. Maintain good etiquettes. Maintain good voice with others. All these add to your pleasing personality. So, dear friends, I would like to say to be successful, you need to cultivate all these. You need to cultivate all these characteristics in your personality. Thank you.